Hello friends, welcome to my channel Naukar Educare. This is my first YouTube video. The main purpose of starting this channel is to enlighten my fellow Indian citizens with financial terminologies using simple terms and practical examples in order to spread financial education. From childhood, we are taught the importance of a formal education. We often hear from our parents, relatives, and friends that to secure a job and live a decent life, we need to have a good formal education. Sometimes the subjects which are part of our curriculum may not have any relevance in today's practical world. But one subject which is very important to survive in today's world and is often ignored is financial education. To move forward, first let's understand in simple terms what is financial education. Financial education is the ability to understand how money works. It is an art of investing, managing money, and the ability to make sound financial decisions. Financial education is very important to handle an individual's personal finances. A person may be excellent at his job or his business, but without having a sound financial education, he may not be able to handle the money he would be earning. One thing which history has taught is if one is not able to handle their personal finances, sooner or later they will be financially broke. To understand the importance of financial education, let's hear a story. This is a story of Mr. A. Mr. A was a son of a wealthy businessman. One day, the businessman died, leaving behind a large sum of money for Mr. A. Mr. A had everything which one can wish for in their life. Mr. A spent his money in buying luxury cars, going on international vacations, throwing lavish parties, etc. What would be the consequences of the actions of Mr. A? Yes, you all guessed it right. Very soon, Mr. A had lost all of his inherited money. Mr. A lost all his money because of lack of financial education. He had inherited the money, but he didn't inherit the art of investing and managing the money from his father. As a result, he could not make his money work for him. This is why financial education is very important. One should be capable enough to handle their own personal finances. The main motive to start the channel is to spread financial education. I will be uploading videos on various topics relating to finance. I would like you all to join and help me in this mission so that we can help hardworking citizens of our country to learn to manage their money and ultimately to achieve their financial freedom. In order to help, I would request you all to subscribe to the channel Naukar Educare and please press the bell notification to get regular updates on the new videos. On a lighter note, even Mr. A has subscribed to Naukar Educare and have joined in our mission. What are you waiting for? A brief introduction. My name is Kashish Mehta. I am a chartered accountant with an experience in the field of accounting, auditing, compliance, and consulting. I have a mix of work experience from a large multinational corporation and a chartered accountancy firm. I am an avid reader and a follower of capital markets and have gained practical knowledge of the markets by studying and investing thoroughly. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section. Eager to meet you all in my next video. Stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.